kung gusto nyo i-transform yung ating everyday dishes into meatier versions na sobrang convenient and swak sa budget, eto, #Kendu, magluluto tayo ng 3 dishes, kaya let's start cooking! O eto, minsan kasi gusto natin na may meat yung ating mga kinakain, may protein tayo, pero wala naman tayong time mag-grocery, kaya eto siya. Meron tayong dilata, so convenient in a can, and we will open up a can of very juicy CDO luncheon meat. Ito siya, Chinese style. Yan. Oh, very easy to remove from our can. Ito siya, hahatiin ko siya. Oh, we will make our very nice sinangag with our luncheon meat. Ito, kanin na, ulam pa. Yan. Ito muna yung ating first dish. So ito sometimes, di ba nagmamadali tayo, di ba kailangan magbaon. So hindi lang almusal, gagawa ka pa pang baon. Ito, so convenient to do. Yan, so unahin ko lang yung aking luncheon meat dyan. Yan. So ito, we want to saute it very nicely para lumabas yung aroma. Mas magiging malasa. Tatabi natin, and we will add our bawang. Of course, gusto natin na mabawang yung ating fried rice. Saute din natin. Yan. And we will add our carrots. Yan. Carrots for vitamin A. So, balanced meal na to, ha? Beautiful, no? And we add our kaning lamig. Di ba? Saya. Ito, ako, ganitong breakfast, happy na ako. And we will add our soy sauce for flavor and color. Yan, di ba? Yan. Yan. Sobrang simple lang. Of course, we like simple, di ba? Yan. So, yung gagawin mo, you will put your rice on one side and scramble our eggs on the other side. Beat, 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 beat. Dahil non-stick yung ating pan, hindi na natin dadagdagan ng oil. Kung hindi, kailangan mo magdagdag ng oil. Yan. Set, mix, scramble. Napakadali. Once our eggs are set, ganyan na siya. Diba, ang bilis lang. At kung meron kayong spring onions or leeks, it's the time to add it. And we are done. Yan. And, ready to plate. Bilis lang, no? Alam mo, kahit sobrang simple na inyong mga recipe at mga karaniwang mga ingredients yung gamit natin, you can make your dishes stand out pa rin, no? Gawin mong bongga. And, oh, diba? Ready! Op! Diba? Ang bilis-bilis lang ng ating first recipe, ating CDO luncheon meat fried rice. Sobrang nakakatakam, but we're not done. We still have 2 more recipes to go. At ito siya, kakaiba yung style natin sa paggawa nating tortang talong. Kasi nagmamadali tayo, ayaw na natin mag-grill at magbalat. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating technique, kakaiba, ating style. O, pauso natin sa ating tortang talong. I will dice my tortang talong. At kayo, manood kayo ng maigi. Dahil may pa-promo si CDO Luncheon Meat, panoorin niyo itong video na to para magaya niyo to. Sobrang dali lang. At have a chance to win 1,000 pesos worth of products from CDO. Yan. Yung gagawin nyo lang, magluto kayo nito, pipicturean nyo, i-upload nyo sa inyong Facebook at Instagram, and post with this hashtag. O, kaya nyo yan, di ba? Start by adding oil to our pan. So, it's time now to fry. Yan. Ito, very important to na step para lumabas talaga yung flavor niya. Lagyan natin ng kamatis. Just dice everything. Kaya minsan, kailangan natin i-reinvent yung mga usual na mga recipes natin para mas maging masaya at simple yung buhay natin. Now, it's time to add our talong. Gusto natin maluto yung ating talong, toss, no? We want it to brown. And while the talong is cooking with our CDO luncheon meat, yung flavors ng luncheon meat mapupunta dun sa ating talong. At napaka-convenient talaga nito kasi hindi lang siya madaling lutuin, but you can get it in all your favorite supermarkets and groceries nationwide. At pinasimple pa natin kasi available din siya sa Lazada and Shopee. At may link below, just click to buy. O, di ba? Sobrang dali. And look at that. Luto na yung aking talong. Malambot na yung aking talong. It's time for me to add sibuyas. Konting sibuyas. Ang ating kamatis. Yan, let that cook. And ito, handa na natin yung ating eggs. Kasi torta eh. Pwede ba yung ating tortang talong na walang eggs? Ito, may eggs tayo dito. Season with salt. Dapat may timpla yung ating eggs, salt, and pepper. Ang dali, no? Wala ka nang babalatan. Wala ka nang i-grill. And now, diba? Napaka-simple. Yan. Mix, 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 mix. And, pour na natin yung ating tortang talong mixture. Spread it evenly. Ganyan, no? O, para siyang frittata. O, naging social pa siya. Alam niyo ba, yung tortang talong has been voted as one of the best recipes in the world. O, at paluto na yung ating one side. One side pa lang ng ating tortang talong, no? Nag-set na siya. Baliktad portion. Are you ready? Konting confidence. 1, 2, 3, up! Look at that. Ang ganda ng ating tortang talong. Slide it. No? To cook the other side. So, paano mo malaman kung luto na yung inyong tortang talong is to press the center. Oh, kung hindi nyo kaya kasi mainit, you can use your wooden spoon or spatula and press. Basta firm na siya, ibig sabihin, luto na siya. Pag lumulubog siya, ibig sabihin, hilaw pa yung egg. Ito, nag-set na siya. So, ibig sabihin, lutong-luto na yung ating tortang talong. And now, we're ready to plate it. Ano type niyo ba tong tortang talong natin? Sobrang dali lang. Oh. Last and final recipe. Huwag na natin pahirapan. Gisa-gisa lang to. Stir fry or saute. Ito siya. Konting oil. Not too much. And gagawin natin, piprituhin natin to ating mga pieces of luncheon meat. Oh, so while nagpiprito yan, nagsosote, yung gagawin ko dito, handa ko na yung aking pang sauce. Chicken stock or water. Pwedeng gumamit kayo kung ano yung trip mo na pang palasa. Konting oyster sauce for flavor, linamnam, and color. Yan. Cornstarch, pang palapot ng konti. So, mas madali sa atin, ganito yung sistema natin maggawa ng sauce. Oh. Kontrolado nyo. Yan, oh. Season na rin natin ng konting black pepper. Yan. Konting salt. Gusto mo lagyan ng sesame oil, lagyan nyo na. Oh, ready na yung ating sauce. We will just drizzle that. Sauteed onions, garlic, and carrots. Ang carrots, inuuna ko kasi matagal maluto yung carrots. Ayaw natin ng sobrang tigas. We want it to be crunchy, but not hard. Yan. Ito, sobrang simple na. Kung anong merong gulay ka, pwede. Kangkong, diba? Broccoli, cauliflower. Ito, meron ako dito sa bahay. Carrots. May konti akong natirang bell peppers. And of course, repolyo. Yan, laging may repolyo sa bahay. Ewan ko ba, basta, di ba Pinoy may repolyo sa bahay? Now, it's time to add our repolyo. Greens, no? Yan, no? Saute our vegetables. And nakita niyo aking sauce na pre-made. O, tama na yung lasa nito. Pour na natin. Kasi minsan, gumagawa tayo ng sauce, diretso dito, sumasablay, nabubuhos natin lahat. Ito. Insurance mo tong bowl. Yan. It's almost done. Diba? Sobrang nakakatakam tingnan, no? Yan. And we are ready to serve. Bilis lang, di ba? And tingnan mo, it looks like a very decent meal. Kahit may mga shortcuts tayong ginawa. No? Pinasimple natin yung mga usual. And of course, eto na siya ang ating ulam using our CDO luncheon meat. At kailangan kong tikman. Pero before natin tikman, garnish muna para maganda yung ating presentation. Yan. May tortang talong. Achieve ba? Achieve yan, for sure. Una natin yung talong. Yan. Sarap. It's perfect. In fairness, ha? Ito na siya. Ating luncheon meat, 3 ways, simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!